If you're a cat owner looking for cheap cat insurance, then what would be more obvious than searching for some review or comparison sites that would help you find the cheapest possible insurance that would still give you a good basic coverage if your cat got hurt or became ill and needed professional treatment. I don't know what it is, but even though the internet has spread far and wide, finding cheap cat insurance is still really hard, and you'll most likely end up getting a pet plan from one of the major sites like SPCA, Tesco or VPI. Would they give you the cheapest plan there is on the market? Probably not. And you'll most likely not get the best all-around coverage either. What I suggest instead is that you go and make your own price for cat insurance. I actually wrote an article about it not too long ago where I explained how doing a step-by-step process could help yourself reduce the price of almost anything that you wanted to buy, and that included insurance for your pet. As I see it, there is no difference between getting insurance for a cat, a dog, or any other pet for that matter. Sure, you might have a hard time finding a company that would want to insure rare and exotic animals, but if you look hard enough you will find them. The package might be a little more expensive, but you'll probably also have to pay more for health treatments for expensive pets than you do for ordinary pets. And those don't even come cheap. What I suggest that you do when you want to get the cheapest possible cat insurance is that you first do a little research online. What is already being offered, at what price, and by whom? Take notes for every site and company you visit, and after 10 to 15 sites, I would expect that you have a good overview of what the current cat insurance situation would look like. So now you're better equipped to go to work. Now call up the sales representatives for the insurance companies that you've investigated and ask them for a quote. Don't be rude and demanding, but don't let them bully you either. Ask for a discount and see what happens, but whatever they offer you should not sign anything yet. Just take good notes and hand up when you're done. It might take you a little while to learn how to talk to the salespeople, but you'll pretty quickly get a hang of it. One thing you should always remember, though, is that you provide everyone you call with the same information, as the price they give will be based on a lot of different factors. Make sure that they all know where in the country you live, and prices are different if you live in Beverly Hills or New York. Also be sure to tell them what breed your cat is. A cat health insurance for a Bengal cat might be very different from an American bobtail cat. What you can expect is that if you have pure breed cats, the insurance cost will probably be higher than with ordinary cats. Mostly I think it is, because the insurance companies conclude that if you're willing to pay more for your cat, then you're more likely to want to have it treated in case of illnesses or accidents, and not to forget the fact that you probably have more money to spend. When you have called all of insurance companies, you'll not only know how to talk to them but also be able to play them against each other, as no insurance company would want to lose a potential customer to a competitor. The cat's insurance plans are normally not that expensive, and you should not expect to save hundreds of dollars a month, as most of the plans are found between $10, $30 per month. You'll probably be able to get a reduction of 15,125% on different types of cat pet insurance plans, and you could then either go for a lower monthly payment or ask them to give you a better coverage, which will keep your monthly payment at the level you expected to pay, but you'll get a far better service and treatment options. For some cat breeds you might find that the insurance companies will not insure them. The reasons might vary, but it is often because they are either too expensive or that the specific breed is known to get ill or get hurt a lot. If you have one of those breeds, your chances of finding a cat pet insurance is greatly diminished, and there might not be much that can be done about it, and let alone getting a price reduction could be impossible. For most cats, however, the tactic mentioned above will work to your benefit, and you can actually use any other kind of insurance that you currently have.